Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to add border to image in Inkscape. So there is one really simple method that I use sometimes. First we go to the left panel and click on the rectangle tool. Now we need to create a new rectangle. It doesn't matter what size it has. Then we click again on selector tool and now we need to select our image. Okay, so you will need to copy dimensions, but first check if you have here pixels. So now I copy width and I click on box. Then I paste width here and I will add to it about 20 pixels. So I type here 6 and press enter. Now I click on picture again and copy height from it. So I click Ctrl C and click on box again. Now I paste it here and the same situation I will add here 20 pixels. So I type here 5. Now I click enter. And we need to go to Object and Align and Distribute. Select this option. You will see this window. Now we need to zoom out and select our objects. If you will select your objects, you need to select option Center on vertical axis and then Center on horizontal axis. Now we need to click on our box, deselect it and select again. And here I click Object and I choose Lower to Bottom. Like you see, our border has been successfully created. Okay, so it's everything in this video. If I helped you to resolve your problem, remember to support my work and subscribe my channel and like this video, and thank you for watching my tutorials.